Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, today we are going to see IDBI PG DBF examination paper. Last year how it was given. See friends, there are four sections: logical reasoning, English, quantitative aptitude, and general awareness and banking awareness in that. See friends, orally we have 2 hours time. See here, for reasoning and general awareness, each carries 60 marks, and English aptitude 40 marks. So totally for 200 questions, 200 marks. So each question carries 0.25 negative marking, and each question carries 1 mark. See friends, put more focus on general awareness. Why means here 60 questions are there, you can score easily more. That too, general awareness, what we need to prepare means 6 months current affairs, last 6 months current affairs enough. That too, you have to focus more on future events and future themes friends. It is more important, you have to put more focus on future events and future themes. Apart from that, they will focus more on banking awareness. So banking related terms and banking related new achievements they will going to ask. So general awareness, that is enough. See friends, we going to see in detail logical reasoning, English, and aptitude. Previous how they were given previously. We going to see. See friends, logical reasoning, data analysis and interpretation. See friends here, puzzle and sitting arrangement. In that, they were given like double row totally for 10 marks, means double row and uncertain number of people they have sat in linear arrangement. So those type of questions they will give probably. And blood relations, 7 questions, and direction sense 6 questions. See friends, syllogism, we are doing, they will give one statement and 4 conclusion, same way will come, but here we are seeing here answer, but what they will do here answer, they will give you here questions. So reverse syllogisms given last time, so maybe this time also they will going to give same type, but syllogisms are easy. So last time they given reverse syllogisms. Okay friends. And inequality means their coding will be there, coding type of inequality they are going to give friends. Again, see friends, coding and decoding. See here, inequality, if it is they won't give coding related inequality, then they will give separately one coding related in like coding type of one, like either it is Chinese or coding type. Image based, see friends, in a logical reasoning they will give image based also, like in SSC pattern they will give image based, and we need to find a mirror image or how many similarities were there, like that type of questions also they will ask. So those are for image based question for 5 marks. Identity, odd one out. See friends, odd one out, they will give again five pictures, and in that we need to find which one is odd one. Okay, that type of questions we can find in this paper. Number based questions. See friends, again we know number series, so we need to find they will give you answer from left from right, that type of questions 4 are there. Alphabet based questions. See friends, see friends, alphabet based, see they will code a b c d something here and they will give something here, so on that pattern they will give question here and we need to do. This is basic level of reasoning, that type of questions also we can see. Those are 3 questions. And mirror image 1 question, and water image 1 question. See friends, number series, like number series strong number, that too they will give related to abcds only, that is question 1 question. And square in images, so they will give you square like this, like this, how many squares are there, we need to calculate count, the type of questions are 2. So totally it is for 60 questions for 60 marks. Here see friends, english language like sometimes it is going to be tough, but nowadays they were giving easy only. Fillers friends, that is for 8 marks. Antonym, synonymous, and related to reading comprehension. There are 8 questions, and spotting error 6 questions, and rearrangement of sentences. Even we can expect in executive also same para jumbles or rearrangement of sentence, that is for 5 marks. Close test for 5 marks. Sentence correction means they will give you one sentence, they will ask for improvement or replacement of that particular sentence. So that type of questions, 5 questions, and one word substitution, that is for 3 questions. Totally English section is there for 40 questions, 40 marks. See friends, quantitative aptitude, the data interpretation 5 questions they have given, but here these 2 topics they have given, CI and SI, and profit and loss, these 2 also DI only friends. They have framed DI questions and they have given. Okay, and number series it is for 5 questions. Missing number series they have given last time, and simplifications for 5 questions, and average problems. See friends, they will going to focus more on single like aptitude questions, miscellaneous questions. See here, simplifications 5, average problem 2, and partnership problem 2, and dividend and quotient 1, age problems 1, and number series already they have given missing number series, so not number series. It is miscellaneous arithmetic 6 questions, and quadratic equations also will come friends. They missed out here somewhere. See, quadratic equations also they will use to give. And quantity 1, quantity 2, this time they will give, last time they have not given anything. Quantity 1 comparison, quantity 1 and quantity 2, the type of questions also very very important friends. You cover that type of questions as well. See friends, generally you are giving mock test. So what you have to do mock test? See friends, one person used to go daily at 100 speed. So if he goes next day at 90 or 80 or 60, no issue for him. One person who goes daily at 50 speed, then he started suddenly going 60, 70, 80, then the probability of happening accidents more here. Same thing friends, daily give your 100% best, and in examination you go with 90, 60, 80, no issue, no means no question goes wrong. So you are daily giving at 50% of your ability, and you are giving more, means more speed, and at examination means the probability of getting wrong questions may be more. So try to give your best mock test at 100% at home itself, or wherever you are preparing, and then you can give your test like your examination 90, 60, there is no issue. So no, maximum you can score more, like this you can score more friends. For general awareness, focus on banking also friends. Banking they are going to focus more, and banking recent banking developments they will going to ask you, and future events of all events like G20, G20, G7, and Olympics, they will going to ask more questions from these areas. Okay friends, uh, uh, thank you for Thank you for watching friends. Your support is needed. Take care friends. Bye friends.